Ever wondered if your personal security could be elevated to a sci-fi level? Imagine a world where autonomous AI-powered drones act as your vigilant, ever-present guardians. This isn't just a concept from a futuristic film. It's an emerging reality, poised to redefine personal safety for the tech-savvy individual. The idea of personal AI bodyguards, manifested as autonomous drones, represents a fascinating convergence of robotics, artificial intelligence, and advanced sensor technology. This isn't about remote-controlled toys. It's about sophisticated, intelligent systems designed for proactive protection. For tech enthusiasts, understanding the underlying mechanisms is key to appreciating their potential. At its heart, an AI-powered personal security drone system leverages cutting-edge artificial intelligence. This includes advanced machine learning algorithms for pattern recognition and predictive analytics. These drones are equipped with high-resolution cameras and sophisticated computer vision systems. They excel at real-time threat detection, identifying anomalies in behavior or environment. Facial recognition, while controversial, is a core component, allowing the drone to distinguish between known individuals and potential threats. This isn't just about identifying faces. It's about analyzing gait, posture, and intent. The system can surveil crowds with remarkable precision, tracking multiple individuals simultaneously. It monitors movements, identifying suspicious patterns or aggressive postures. Should a threat emerge, the drone can intercept, not necessarily with force, but with non-lethal deterrence. These deterrence mechanisms are designed to de-escalate situations without harm. They might include high-intensity strobe lights to disorient, loud sonic deterrents to draw attention, or even targeted bursts of non-toxic, irritating aerosols. Some advanced concepts even explore deploying nets or tethers to incapacitate an attacker without injury. A defining characteristic of these personal guardians is their autonomy. They are engineered to operate without direct human piloting, relying on complex algorithms and sensor fusion. This means they can coordinate in swarms, acting as a cohesive unit rather than isolated entities. Their navigation relies on simultaneous localization and mapping, SLAM algorithms, allowing them to build a map of their environment while simultaneously tracking their own position within it. This is crucial for operating in dynamic, unpredictable settings. They use an array of sensors, LiDAR, radar, ultrasonic, and visual, to create a comprehensive environmental awareness. The AI processes this vast amount of sensor data in real time, enabling intelligent path planning and obstacle avoidance. This distributed intelligence allows for robust, resilient operation, even if one drone is compromised. For the tech-minded, this represents a significant leap in distributed AI and robotic coordination. The capabilities of these AI drone bodyguards extend far beyond simple flight. They are sophisticated platforms, integrating multiple technologies to provide comprehensive personal security. Each function is underpinned by advanced computational power and sensor technology, equipped with an array of high-resolution cameras, including thermal and multispectral imaging. These drones offer unparalleled surveillance. They can patrol designated areas, monitoring activities with precision. The real-time video feeds are not just raw data. They are processed by onboard edge AI. This edge computing allows for immediate analysis, identifying potential threats or anomalies without delay. The processed information, including object tracking and behavioral analysis, is then relayed securely to the individual they protect or designated security personnel. This provides an immediate, actionable overview of the surroundings. Drones possess an inherent advantage in rapid response due to their agility and speed. Their advanced propulsion systems and lightweight, aerodynamic designs allow for quick acceleration and high-speed pursuit. This means they can reach an incident scene far faster than a human. Their ability to navigate complex urban environments, bypassing traffic or ground obstacles, makes them ideal for immediate intervention. This swiftness is critical in time-sensitive security situations, where every second counts. The drone can be on-site, assessing and deterring almost instantaneously. These autonomous drones can establish and maintain a dynamic, invisible security perimeter around an individual or a designated area. Using geofencing technology, they can patrol specific boundaries, constantly scanning for intrusions. Any breach or suspicious approach triggers an immediate alert. Their AI can differentiate between benign movement and potential threats, reducing false alarms. They can integrate with existing smart home or personal security systems, creating a layered defense. This proactive perimeter defense is a significant upgrade from static security measures. Advanced AI algorithms power the drone's sophisticated navigation and obstacle avoidance systems. They can operate within predefined boundaries, adhering to geofenced zones while dynamically adapting to their environment. This includes detecting unexpected obstacles, from birds to sudden human movements. Their predictive modeling capabilities allow them to anticipate trajectories and reroute instantly to avoid collisions. This ensures safe operation in complex, dynamic environments, minimizing the risk of accidents. It's a testament to the power of real-time computational geometry and path planning. The primary output of these drones is real-time, actionable intelligence. They provide high-definition aerial video and photography, streamed directly to the user's personal device or security hub. This isn't just raw footage. It's often augmented with AI-driven overlays. These overlays can highlight potential threats, track individuals, or provide contextual information, enhancing situational awareness. The data is securely transmitted using low-latency, encrypted communication protocols, ensuring privacy and integrity. This immediate insight empowers the user to make informed decisions rapidly. For the discerning tech enthusiast, the appeal of personal AI drone bodyguards lies in their transformative potential. They offer a paradigm shift in personal security, moving from reactive measures to proactive, intelligent protection. The benefits extend beyond mere safety, touching upon efficiency and peace of mind. The most obvious benefit is significantly enhanced personal safety. These autonomous drones provide a constant, vigilant presence, acting as a deterrent to potential threats. Their ability to detect and respond to dangers before they escalate offers a new level of proactive protection. They can identify risks that a human might miss, thanks to their advanced sensors and AI. This includes detecting hidden weapons, unusual behavior patterns, or even environmental hazards. The system learns and adapts, continuously improving its ability to keep you safe. While the initial investment in such advanced technology might seem substantial, the long-term cost savings are compelling. Automating personal security tasks with drones minimizes the need for human security personnel in many scenarios. This reduces ongoing labor costs significantly. Beyond direct savings, preventing incidents through proactive deterrence can avoid costly damages, medical expenses, or legal fees. For individuals with high-value assets or public profiles, the value of preventing a security breach far outweighs the system's cost. It's an investment in peace of mind and asset protection. Drones can operate effectively in challenging and hazardous conditions where human presence would be risky. This includes monitoring dangerous areas, responding to emergencies in unsafe environments, or providing security in remote locations. They can gather critical information without exposing individuals to harm. This capability is invaluable for professionals working in high-risk fields or for individuals who frequently travel to volatile regions. The drone acts as a vanguard, assessing the environment and mitigating risks before you even step foot in a potentially dangerous zone. The real-time insights provided by these drones are invaluable for improved decision-making. The AI processes vast amounts of data, offering predictive threat assessments and highlighting critical information. This allows the individual to make more informed and timely decisions regarding their safety. Integrating with personal digital assistants, the drone's AI can provide verbal alerts, visual cues, or even suggest optimal escape routes. This level of situational awareness, powered by artificial intelligence, transforms how individuals perceive and manage their personal security. While the technological promise is immense, the deployment of personal AI drone bodyguards raises significant ethical and societal questions. For tech enthusiasts, understanding these concerns is crucial for responsible innovation and adoption. It's a balance between security and fundamental rights. The pervasive use of AI-powered surveillance, even for personal protection, raises profound privacy concerns. These drones collect vast amounts of data, including visual and auditory information, from public and private spaces. This constant monitoring can feel like a panopticon effect. Questions arise about data storage, access, and potential misuse. Who owns this data? How is it protected from breaches? The potential for this data to be exploited by malicious actors or even government entities is a serious consideration. Robust data, anonymization, and encryption protocols are paramount. A significant concern is the potential for misidentification of innocent bystanders. AI algorithms, particularly those used for facial recognition and behavioral analysis, can exhibit biases. These biases often stem from the data they were trained on, leading to disproportionate errors for certain demographics. False positives could lead to innocent individuals being targeted or harassed by a drone's deterrence mechanisms. Ensuring algorithmic fairness and transparency is critical. This requires rigorous testing, diverse training datasets, and potentially a human-in-the-loop verification process for critical actions. Perhaps the most complex questions revolve around ethical considerations. Who controls the drone's actions, and how do we ensure responsible use? If a drone deploys a non-lethal deterrent, who is accountable for any unintended consequences or injuries? What are the legal frameworks governing their use? The concept of an autonomous system making decisions that impact human safety raises questions about moral agency and liability. Establishing clear kill-switch protocols, defining acceptable use parameters, and developing robust regulatory oversight are essential. Society must grapple with the implications of delegating security decisions to machines. The concept of personal AI drone bodyguards is rapidly moving from science fiction to engineering reality. Several companies are actively developing autonomous security drone systems, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in personal protection. The trajectory of this technology is fascinating. These systems often feature a drone-in-a-box solution, a self-contained unit where the drone is housed. This base station serves multiple purposes. It charges the drone, protects it from the elements, and acts as a deployment hub. When a threat is detected or a command is issued, the drone can launch autonomously from its box. Future developments will likely focus on enhanced AI capabilities, including more sophisticated predictive analytics and adaptive learning. Miniaturization will make drones more discreet and portable. Integration with wearable tech and augmented reality interfaces will provide seamless user interaction. The legal and ethical frameworks will need to evolve rapidly to keep pace with technological advancements. Public discourse and policy development will be crucial in shaping the responsible deployment of these powerful tools. The journey towards widespread adoption of personal AI drone bodyguards will be a complex, but ultimately transformative one. The future of personal security is here, and it's flying. Are you ready to explore how AI-powered drone technology can redefine your safety? Dive deeper into the technical specifications, ethical debates, and emerging solutions shaping this incredible field. Engage with this revolution. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What excites you most about AI drone bodyguards, and what concerns you the most? Like this content if you found it informative, subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge tech, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the future of personal security.